Hello everybody, this is Matador from freetradingvideos.com. It's 8:49 a.m. on December 15th. Nice Tuesday. Stock futures are signaling a weaker open. Dollar is rising a little bit here. So at 8:30, good sized sell-off here right to the 111.20 mark that we had in as support. So we can see again nice support at the 111.50, even under pressure here. The 112 mark, let's zoom out a time frame on this SPY chart. You can see the lighter green and lighter red are all the high bases right through here, right in the middle of the day. That's the regular market hours. If I remove that, you'll see how often we tested the 112 mark through that, and then the sell-off. So let's remove that pre- and post-market data. Just real quick here. There we go. So that is the way the market looked yesterday. You can see a beautiful gap up, sell off, resistance right into the 112 mark, chopped sideways based on the divergences between the trend, possibly a good reason why to avoid going long or short right in a time frame like that. Sort of signals a consolidation, but there's a beautiful asymmetrical triangle right through here, kind of a rising pattern. It's pretty nice right around the 112 mark, but again, if we open right where we are, now we'll be at the 111.32 area. And this is a perfect gap fill from yesterday. So we're watching that. The VIX, let's look at how it closed. Just one little spike up toward the end of the day, right at the close. So we need to be careful of that. And then the trend, right around 1.2 all day long, and the trend Q at about 0.53. Again, there's that divergence between the two. So we'll have to watch those to make sure we get some kind of resolution before we jump long or short into this market. Good stuff. Again, if we hold up on a higher time frame, this is still just an unbelievable, beautiful high base, albeit between the 110 and 112 mark, with a couple of notable tests into the 108 area, and that's what I'm looking at. So good stuff. I'll be with you around noon to take apart the rest of the market.